Hey, what's up? Jason here. Today's video is going to be on how to install the Insta360 X3 screen protector on your X3. Now, why do you need to put a screen protector on your X3? Because maybe you're out doing some crazy stuff. You have the camera mounted, the camera falls off the mount, the camera hits the ground and it tumbles and fumbles, and then a rock punches your screen. You rather just have the screen just exposed, or would you rather have some protection over the screen to give you a better chance of not having to send this into Insta360? That's what I thought. Let me show you. It's very easy. Okay, first things first, open the box. When you open the box, you're gonna have the protector applicator kit. You're gonna have an alcoholic pad that you use to wipe the screen. Pamphlets telling you exactly how to do it, so you really don't need this tutorial if you actually get the screen protector, but some of you guys are more visionaries than readaries. And then you have the actual screen inside of here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the applicator kit, we're gonna open this up, and inside of here, it's gonna be all your little extras. Okay, boom. It's a little more primitive. This is an X3 kit, but this will apply for X3 and X4 cameras. This thing right here is like a broom or like a squeegee, and you press it against the screen after you had applied the actual screen protector. This is your microfiber cloth that you're gonna use. So we're gonna put this we're gonna set it up. You got dust removal, sticker, all that good stuff. Okay, let's get the alcoholic pad ready. It's going to be called screen wipe. Swipe it, take it out. It's wet. That's what she said. You're going to go on ahead and expose your screen. Wipe the screen really, really well with this pad. And I always tell people to wash your hands before doing this. That way your hands doesn't have any contamination, any oils or anything like that on it. You're just basically going to wipe the screen. Get the microfiber towel to dry it off. And then just to be extra, you'll take the dust removal. This is basically just a sticker. And you'll hold the little tab right here. You'll hold it right on this corner. Don't touch this, okay? That's what's gonna touch your screen. And you're just gonna press it against your screen. And what that's gonna do is grab any dust that may have gotten on your screen. Chances are if dust got on your screen in that such a short time, then you're in trouble. Okay, once you're done with that, you grab this frame. You put the frame that it comes with, put this over, and this will allow you, this is basically an alignment tool. It'll allow you to align the screen protector directly over the actual screen without jacking it up. And all we're gonna do here is we're gonna remove the screen protector. That is the inside of the screen. So you can tell because it says Insta360. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna take that little orange tab and you're gonna peel it. Do not touch the inside of the screen that you just peeled that thing from. And you basically put it over the camera. You can just press it up against the edge there and boom, drop it like it's hot. Now what you do is you grab this tool right here, the thing I told you is like a little squeegee, and you just press up against the screen. That's all you're doing, just pressing it up against the screen, both directions. There may be some air bubbles in there. You can work them out with this tool. You basically just start in the middle and you press towards the edges. Make this thing even brighter. And so all you're doing is just working out the air bubbles. Now sometimes air bubbles will still be around. As long as you don't have any dust particles inside of those air bubbles, they shall go away in time if you don't get them out using the squeegee tool. This is what the side profile looks like. You can use the cage. Insta360 has cages. Ulanzi has cages. Telesin has cages. Everybody has cages for this camera in general. You can still use the cages with this thing on. And that's pretty much it, y'all. That's it. So if you guys have any questions on how to do any of this stuff, just let me know in the comments below. Like I told you guys, don't worry about the air bubbles too much. They will usually go away over some time. If the heater, the hair dryer thing don't work, don't worry about it. All right. Jay on the Segway. Thanks for watching. Peace.